If you're experiencing high ping on your PlayStation 5, it can lead to lag and a frustrating gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your connection and improve your gaming performance. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use a speed test website or app to check your current internet speed. Ensure that your download and upload speeds meet the requirements for online gaming, which typically should be at least 3 Mbps for download and 1 Mbps for upload. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is generally more stable and faster than Wi-Fi, reducing latency and improving your overall gaming experience. Step 3. Optimize your Wi-Fi settings. If you must use Wi-Fi, ensure your router is set to the 5 GHz band, which offers faster speeds and less interference than the 2.4 GHz band. Position your router in a central location and minimize obstacles between the router and your console. Step 4. Limit network traffic. Reduce the number of devices using your internet connection while gaming. Pause downloads, streaming services, and other bandwidth-heavy applications on other devices to free up bandwidth for your PS5. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Access your PS5 settings and navigate to Network Setup Internet Connection. Choose your connection type, select Custom, and enter public DNS server like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloud for DNS 1.1, 1.1 to potentially improve connection speed and stability. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping and overall gaming experience on your PlayStation 5. Happy gaming!